The weatherman has warned of strong winds of more than 20 meters per second expected in Nairobi, Central and Kajiado regions for the next 5 days. Strong winds and unexpected dust storms hit various parts of the country, as you can see this evening, bringing down billboards. The Kenya Meteorological Department have described the strong winds and sandstorms as a precursor to the onset of short rains expected this month. Some parts of the country have also been plunged into darkness. The Met Department has urged Kenyans to take precaution as the strong winds are known to blow away roofs, billboards, and even rocks. People have been warned to avoid walking near billboards and trees, and Kenya Power, on its part, has acknowledged the outages in various parts of the capital and its environs and says it is working to normalize supply.